expensive, but Dr. Doris Day is here to help with some simple and easy DIY treatments from her new book. It is called Beyond Beautiful. Welcome, Dr. Doris Day.
Thanks for having me.
So as a dermatologist, what is your number 1 DIY skincare secret?
Well, I love a great eye depuffer that you can do at home because sometimes puffy eyes happen. So if you brew, if you brew a pot of strong black or green tea and then you let it cool to room temperature, add some honey, aloe, cucumber slices, then refrigerate.
This is the refrigerator.
That's it. Then you put that on your eyes. It's a quick depuffer. In a real pinch, just do the tea bags by themselves once they're cool. And that can really help depuff. Caffeine is a really great ingredient to use. So we have our lovely models who can have this on their eyes. It feels really good. When you, as a board certified dermatologist, I would say these are fun things to try at home. But if you have a skin issue on your eyes or on your face,
just relax, ladies, okay?
It's really important to see a board certified dermatologist to take care of your skin issues. But this is fun to try. And while they have that on, they can take some slow, deep breaths.
Yep.
Maybe sip some water. And
we don't want to drink this.
Well, you could.
The solution. We just want to use the cucumbers.
Just use it on your eyes.
Okay, but in order to age gracefully, you say that we have to make a list, right? In your book, you say one of your tips is to make a list of changes. I've made a list of changes. I want to be more intentional in my life, but I want to get more sleep. I want to stop overscheduling, and I want to spend less time on my phone. Why is this all important?
It's really important because stress shows in your skin. Your appearance has value, and I want you to age beautifully. So if you make a list, we're really using all your senses to help you age as beautifully as possible. So you make a list, and then why do you want to make that change? It may be because you'll have more time. You'll be able to appreciate the beauty in your life and your own natural beauty as well. And then the results. The results are that you're going to accomplish your goal, whether it's getting to exercise or sleep better. It's releasing the things that are stressing, that are showing in your skin and your face, and you'll find your whole life is so much better.
I like that. Make a list. Let's take a walk, Dr. Day. We have one of our audience members, Nicole, and I want the audience to get in on this. But it's so important to protect your skin. So we have a little pop quiz for all of you. I want you to raise your hand. True or false? Nicole, if you could stand up. This woman's shirt color, true or false, can protect her from the sun. Raise your hand if you think it's true. Okay. Raise your hand if you think it's false. And what is the answer?
The answer is that it's true.
Oh,
the color can protect you. So if you have a dark color shirt of the same exact fabric versus a white shirt of the same fabric, the dark color will protect you more than the light color. So unless there's an exception, unless you have a sun protective shirt. So I brought along a shirt that has a UPF rating built into it. This one's by Uvita. And the UPF rating you look for in here, this is a UPF of 50.
UVF?
UPF. Ultraviolet protection factor. So it's SPF combined with UVA protection as well. So it's lightweight, light weave. So you don't have to wear the long sleeve dark colored shirt when you're outdoors to protect your skin, because 90% of how your skin ages is due to sun exposure. So you really want to protect. That's
Nicole,
why it matters.
This is your gift. And you are our gift.